Hey y'all, it's Martha here, and I am popping in today to share with you a very special journal that I have made. I contacted Jovi and asked her would she do, because she makes such beautiful journals, would she help me debut my first digital kit? And she so graciously agreed and asked me, could we swap kits? And I said, yes, I would love to do that. So she told me to go to her Etsy shop and choose the one I wanted to work with. And I saw the Victorian Mice and I just thought it was so stinking cute. I had to make a journal out of it. So watch my video featuring Victorian Mice created by Jovi, and the link will be in the description so you can go and get your kit, and then you can have it to print out anytime you want to for any project that you want to. And please do the same. Go to her channel and see what she did with my kit, Cats and Cupcakes. She showed a preview yesterday and it was absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to see the finished product. But without further ado, let me show you what I have done with Victorian Mice. So I added this cute little tassel that I made earlier in the month, just to set it off. I have used some cute cloth that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have added some very cute embellishments here. This is part of the kit, one of the lady mice, all in pink, and some pink buttons I thought looked cute, some lace and ribbon, and some jimmies here on the side, some little clusters of flowers. These are cloth, and some of them are, this one is like a cabochon. Very pretty. And then the closure is this pink ribbon that I have made into the cover. And so, and the spine is just a regular spine. I didn't try to hide it or anything like that. And I had a piece of tape or something that I just peeled off. So let's get started, and I'll try not to be all day about this, but it's a chunky one. You can see it's a chunky monkey right here. But I had such fun creating it. Did a lot of new stuff, I think. So this is what the inside looks like. I just put a pretty piece of scrapbook paper there. And over here I made on... Most of the pages are done with her journaling kit plus scrapbook paper that I added. So that's one reason why it's so chunky. I'll probably do something different next time. But anyway, this is kind of a little tuck spot right here, and there's a little journaling card right there, or a place to put, I don't know, picture or whatever. And this one, just like the Enchanted Fairy one that I did, the pictures in the kit are the main focus. And here is another little tuck spot right here. And I made another little journaling card just to tuck in there. And there is this paper clip. It really is not clipping anything, but I thought it was cute, so I added it. So we have the cute little mice here. And then this page just has a butterfly for some journaling. And this one is a cute little pocket with the same material as on the cover. So we have a tag here that you could journal on if you wanted to. We have, this is like, kind of like a bookmark or whatever, a tag or something. I just thought it was cute to add some of the little images and some flowers. And you could probably tuck it like this right here if you wanted to. or it could be a belly band actually. So there's some more little jimmies here to set it off. And not all the pages, but a lot of them have trim on the edges. Just another pretty paper. And here is our little mouse baking some goodies. A couple of more places for pictures or journaling with some pretty trim. Same here. I thought this color looked really good with our library mice. And here we have a little belly band with a cute little journaling card with a tab on it. And this page I did a little bit of stenciling on, and I added some pretty pink ribbon to set off the butterfly and the pink over here and this butterfly. This one, I added a few little butterflies on the printout itself, and then over here some butterflies. And this little pocket is a coffee filter pocket that I added some gems and some ink to make it pretty. And then I tucked a little journaling card on there. It just tucks in there like that. And then over here I just did the little mouse in the car. I just added some trim and a little cluster collage over here with some flowers and tickets. I thought the ticket looked good, maybe like he was going to the races or something. And then over here I made this little tuck spot and did it in some nice brown and gold trims. And this is just like a little I don't know, like a little ticket or something. I thought it looked cute there. And then we have another one of those little tags you can pull out for journaling with some pretty little gems. And I did some distressing, but not on everything. Mostly on the embellishments, some of them. And I used vintage photo. And here's another little tuck spot with a little journaling card in there. This is like a little gold doily. And this is a little button cluster with a little cloth flower. And over here is the center of the first signature, and it has some pretty little beads hanging on the thread. And I just left that so it could speak for itself, like a double little photo. That's very cute, I think. And then over here, a couple of pages for journaling. There's a butterfly. And then we have this cute picture of this little bunny. It's got some pretty blue trim, blue and white trim on the edge. Not bunny. Did I say bunny? I meant mouse. Another journaling page with a butterfly. And over here is some cute little trim that I made with some ribbon and some jimmies and buttons, and that's a little foam sticker right there. I thought that a lot of these are scraps and I just wanted to use them up, and I thought that would be a nice way to do it, to make some cute little trim. And over here I just added some brown trim with some of those shiny flower-like rolls of gem from the Dollar Tree. And then there's some more stenciling. And this plain brown craft color paper. And another little cluster I made. These two are part of the kit, and the rest is just some little, there's some dewdrops and music page and some little cloth flowers and stuff here too. And here is another one. I made this trim from I made a little ruffle out of what's that stuff, crepe paper, like you hang up for parties. And then I just added a piece of the scrap cloth from the cover and added a bunch of cute buttons, and I thought that was very cute. Another page for journaling or pictures. Same here, and with a pretty blue butterfly. And then this page has, looks like they're celebrating a birthday or having tea, and they have blue and white trim. Page for journaling. Here's a cute bunny in the garden. Here's a pretty butterfly and a page for journaling. And that's the end of the first signature. And I love this scrapbook paper, and I thought it looked really good with the kit. That's why I wanted to include it. This one is some pretty brown trim that looks good with this paper. Same here. And then this beautiful pink one, I love it, with all the roses. So I put it on pink scrapbook paper, not scrap, cardstock. And this is the back side, and I just did some more of those little ruffles from the crepe paper and added lace and just put some on the top and the bottom. I thought that looked cute like that. And some pretty little trim here to go with these pages. And this one as well. A couple of pages for journaling and photos or whatever you want to put. And then we have the cute little mouse at the front of the fireplace. It looks very pretty, and I love the trim and the cardstock that I used to back it on. This page is some more of those cloth flower ribbons, and it's on a piece of paper that I had decorated with some glitter, so I thought that would make a nice little trim. And here we have this page for journaling with a couple of cute stickers to set it off. And then here's another, here is a tuck spot, heart-shaped tuck spot with a heart doily. And it's got this beautiful trim on the side and this cute little tuck spot, little mouse from the kit. And then this page has got this beautiful pink lace, which shows on this side too. And Mr. and Mrs. Mice or Mouse are out for a walk in the garden, it looks like. And here's another one of my coffee filter pockets, which I just put this beautiful journaling card in. I thought the colors looked good with the page and the pocket. And there's a piece of the kit and some cute little jimmies and some pretty trim. And another journaling page. And now this one is a wide belly band with a pretty doily and some little jimmies. And then when you pull it out, you have a bingo card that has been decorated to add photos or journal on. And there's a little trim that's also somewhere in the book. Beautiful flower. And I just had to, because we had mice, I put a little kitty on there to kind of be, I don't know, facetious. Is that the right word? And I put some trim on the top and bottom of the page. And then this page, they're out in the garden again, and I put some pretty green trim to match the cardstock and some cute jimmies to set it off. Empty journaling page to decorate as you please. Butterfly. More journaling spaces, and here's a belly band. And this is from the kit. It's just a journaling spot, and this is just a card. It could be used to journal in or whatever, and it's got some nice little sentiments on it. Do more than exist. Hold on tight to your dreams. Keep moving forward and let life surprise you. And that, just some little collaging, and that little pieces from the kit. There's a doily, and I did a little bit of stenciling on it. And then I used a couple of the little images to decorate the inside. And this is such a fun kit to play with. Oh, it is. And then this page is the center of that signature. And then we have, looks like Mama, Papa, and baby girl mouse. And they are trimmed in blue and white trim. And then over here, a couple of empty pages to do with as you please. Little white trim, and this blue and white trim has some little white hearts on it. Same thing on this side. And here they are. Looks like they might be in the garden again. More journaling spots. Another pretty pink page. Some more journaling and a pink butterfly. Here he is at the fireplace again. And this one has this beautiful cream colored trim with some of those yellow jimmies. And here's another cute little belly band. Just cardstock, some jimmies, and a beautiful flower. And some of these things in here I got in my birthday giveaway entries. But this is just some stationery pages I've had for a long time, and I've never used them up. They are not aged like that. I just aged them up with some vintage photo, and I thought they'd look nice in here to journal on or whatever, you know. And then this one is a flip up. I used some leftover cloth from the cover, and I put this beautiful it looks like it's made, someone sent it, I think I won it in a giveaway once. It's made, feels like of crepe paper and some ribbon. Here's some little rickrack up here. And so you just flip it up and you have a little journaling spot underneath. Pretty flower and some more trim here and here. And beautiful lace. And I love this page, all pink and with roses and the lace and the beautiful trim. And this is our last page, just another place to journal with some beautiful trim. And this side has a pocket, this beautiful trim. And this is just a journaling card I made out of a flashcard that I was gifted, I believe, in my birthday mail. Some jimmies, some stenciling, and a rose up here. And then this is just from some of my scraps. I made it a little tag with a bow on it. And some of the leftover scrap paper. And oh, I forgot to show, I have some beads in the middle of the second signature as well, so they both hang down like that. So this is a beautiful journal. I really do love it, and I may put it in my coffee shop. So I will, if anyone's interested, please let me know and I will list it in my coffee shop. I think it's beautiful. I loved working with the kit. And Jovi, thank you so much for allowing me to have this opportunity to do a little collab with you. I really do appreciate it so much. Go watch Jovi's video and see what she has made. And if you want to get the Victorian Mice kit for yourself, the link will be in the description. And I'll be seeing y'all again soon. Bye now.